morning, Vienna. I told you that today I would film a day in my life in Vienna, and that's what I'm doing. I'm here with Musty, is taking a picture for me. So by the way, if you're in Vienna and you want a nice picture to be taken, I'll leave his credential below. So today we're going around Vienna, we're taking a picture, we're having a good time, and so come on, let's show you up. This is the Opera House of Vienna. As you can see, it's huge and it's like super pretty, and a lot of people come here especially to come to the opera, but I think that right now with COVID-19 it's closed, so we're not gonna go inside. And then here is a statue of the last king of Austria. So yeah, this morning we're having a little historic classes with Gaëlle. And then if you come here, it's the Albertina Museum, and I actually went in there yesterday. They have painting with Monet, Picasso, I think they also have Cézanne, so they have a great paintings inside. There's also a restaurant there. And then if you come out. So if you come all the way over here and you look over there in the background, you can see that there's the Autriche Palace, which has more than, Musty is gonna tell you how many rooms.
2,400.
That's how much. And we're gonna go there afterwards, so I'll also show you. So yeah, keep on watching to see what I do in Vienna next. Right now, we're probably in my favorite place in Vienna because every morning I try to come here and then I go over there and I do a quick workout, but we're gonna get there afterwards. And so there you have the Natural Art Museum. I didn't go in there yet, but I went in there 2 days ago, and that's the Art History Museum. And that, from the two museums I did in Vienna, this one is probably my favorite. It was amazing inside. And yeah, and over there, I don't know if you see it in the far background, but there's a museum court here, and that there's a bunch of museums there. And at nightlife, there's a lot of like young people and bars, because I went there 2 weeks yesterday evening. Right now we're in front of the Autriche Palace, and as you can see, it's like super huge. And in the previous clip you probably saw the other side of the building, and so there's like many statues that are all important people from for Austria. And then there's like 2 statues over there, and what I'm mostly interested in here is that if you look back there in the background, that's the OSCE. So their Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe. And well, if you know me, you know I'm like a bit of a freak about politics, so pretty happy to be in Vienna right now. And yeah, so what I try to do is that every night I come here and I work out. That's what I've been doing since I'm in Vienna. And yeah. So right now we're just taking a break. That's Musty. We're just taking a break and relaxing my feet because, well, walking all over Vienna with these are beginning to hurt. And then yeah, so what's the name of the park here?
Volksgarten.
Volksgarten. Which, if my German means garden of the people, right?
Garden.
The
Volks people.
Yeah. And yeah, it's super pretty. So we finished taking picture, and now so first I went to grab a coffee, and that was the funniest thing because the guys there were Turkish, the servers, and one of them asked me if I was a YouTuber because my camera was on the table and we've been there previously to take pictures, and I said yes, and then we started talking. Now I'm going back to my hotel, gonna change, put down my backpack, take a smaller bag, and then head to the restaurant I saw the other day. That the food looked really good, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I came back to my room for a bit because my feet were hurting. I'm gonna show you. That might be TMI, but walking in heels all over Vienna, is not really the way to go, you know. We finished shooting. I sat down at this cafe that we actually went before to take a few pictures, and the servers there were so nice because when we took picture they actually gave me like a cup of coffee, a empty cup of coffee to like props for the picture. So after being done with shooting, I thought, well, I'm actually gonna sit down and relax and enjoy a cup of coffee. And Musty told me to try the Wiener mélange, which is, I'm not sure what it is, but it's something like coffee cappuccino something. So I tried it and it was really good, and so I just sat down, enjoyed my cup of coffee. And then the funniest thing, because I actually learned that there's a lot of Turkish people in Vienna, and if you don't know, my dad is Turkish, so Musty was Turkish, and then the servers at the cafe were also Turkish. At first, well, I sat down, and then the server came up to me and asked me if I had a YouTube channel, because my camera was laying down on the table, and obviously like I was just shooting pictures, you know. So I said yes, and then we started talking. And funniest thing, because he actually comes from the same town that my dad does, which is funny. Giresun. So I actually gave him my YouTube channel name, and I don't know if he's gonna see this, maybe he will. If he does, hi. And so now I'm just gonna relax, and I always love to sit in this spot because, I mean, why wouldn't you? Look at this view. This is what I'm gonna miss most about Vienna. I'm gonna go eat. I actually only had a bagel this morning for food while I was waiting for Musty. He said that we were meeting at 8:30, and I misread and I understood 8, so I was there by, I left the hotel by 7:30, was there by 8. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna relax a bit. Oh, also it's so hot today in Vienna, like so hot. I think it's around 27, 28, so pretty hot, which is so nice for September. Yeah, so that's all. I'll see you guys later. I brought some books because it's super sunny outside. I think I'm gonna sit somewhere and read and enjoy a cup of coffee. And I brought some water, my sunglasses, and then a smaller bag. I wish I brought more open shoes. I could wear those, but it's high heels, and I mean, I don't want to wear high heels right now. But yeah. Republic of Mughal right now, and I can't believe that I came all the way up here for like this bull house. And I think right now it's administered by Vienna, but it used to be an actual republic, and the guy who created it his name is here, Edwin Lieburger. This place used to be an actual republic, this house. Like, seriously, can you believe it?